So welcome everyone to this new series on the circle of fifths. So this is going to be just an introduction to the circle of fifths. It's just a tool you can use for writing songs and transposing, changing keys of songs. And so today we're going to go over just an introduction to it, talking about the relative minor, what that is, how to find it on the circle, and how to find it on the guitar. And then the 145, just to show you basically how the circle works. And so you can have an idea, a rough introduction. All right. So let's get right into it. So let's start with the 145. So moving around the circle, this is the circle. You can use this image so you have it counterclockwise, as you can see up here on the left. When you move left or counterclockwise from C to G, in other words, that's 1/5 above the note, right? So G is 1/5 above C. It's the 5 of the C scale, okay? And then that works all the way around. So this you can keep going, right? So if you go from G to D, that's also the fifth. D is the fifth of G. If you go again, A is the fifth of D, right? So it's the fifth note in the D scale. E is the fifth note of A, and so on and so on and so on, all the way around.